Here at MS, when we talk about new media, we work with different digital and social media. We work with blogs, we work with web video, and we work with social media like Facebook or Twitter or etc. That enables citizens to become producers in itself, and not only receivers or consumers of meaning or content produced by others. It's not about us coming to the poor world and telling them how to develop. It's about creating social change at a global scale and at a local scale in partnerships. And in that context, the paradigm shift towards social change is probably a more political one. That we look at development and social change as not something technical or a thing that you can do just with your money. It takes the involvement of every one of us. I think the most concrete one in the recent years in one of our partner countries would be in Kenya, where you have a huge outbreak of post-election violence 2 years ago, and where you saw social activists using new media in a profound new way in a project called Ushahidi, where they used mobile phones and the fact that so many Africans today has mobile phones, and combined that with web applications and used a portal to document and monitor the outbreak of violence between the different ethnic tribes. If we hadn't had the bloggers in Kenya, nobody would have talked about all these instances, because media didn't want to talk about it and the politicians didn't want to talk about it. But the bloggers went through, and when the bloggers started writing about it, the politicians had to take up upon it as well. My hope would be that we see much more citizen journalism, that we as citizens are used to not only being consumers of meaning and content produced by others, but that we see ourselves as producers. Either we live in Kenya or in Denmark or where we live in the world, that we are active citizens involved in shaping the society of the future, and that you see a society where each and every one of us has access to produce our own content and not only consume the content produced by others. That's a huge issue, but I think it's unstoppable. I think you'll see gradually that governments will have to adapt to the fact that they cannot hide away, because it's so easy to communicate today.